Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable Take a Break reminder on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. As you can see, Take a Break reminder is turned off. To enable it, just toggle the button next to it. Now, you need to set the reminder frequency. Set the hours and minutes as per your requirement. I will set for 3 hours. Click OK to proceed. As you can see, Take a Break reminder is turned on. Now the YouTube app will remind me to take a break from watching videos every 3 hours. This is how you can enable Take a Break reminder on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.